Morning guys, so today's Vlogmas day 11, Friday. So I spread the calendar and I find number 11 and it's a tree. Can you tell a Christmas joke? Comment down your Christmas jokes below. My Christmas joke is, what do you get when you can't cross Jack Frost with a vampire? Frostbite. Haha. The most of it. It is looks. I think I know what that is. And you should paste it at the back. So today's vlog's going like this. Get of college, and home. Instead of buzzing about money, college, and then shopping, and then home. I've just opened my advent calendar. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. But I'm so annoyed at myself, because basically, I swear that was accurate. It was accurate. Huh? So I've had breakfast and opened my calendar, and I'm just watching a bit of TV with Lou. I'm gonna get ready to go out to Leeds, as I have college. I'm absolutely shattered. I was up at 12, then I was up at 3, I was up at 6, I was up at 8, I went to bed at 12, planning that the 8 hours leave and just could not get to sleep, so I was buzzing. Probably something I'd had this weekend to go shopping. Best thing. Oh. My hair was just insanely annoying. Just cannot get it right in the morning. It's like, hey guys, you can never do it. This vlog's completely more like a chatty vlog now. I'm gonna get ready to go to college. College at 1. 4:15, so I'll be shopping again with that. Then go in, I'll show him to Leeds. My vlog a bit in Leeds, if I can. College. And then going home. Today's just not going right at all. So annoyed. Still buzzing though, so it's alright. Work tomorrow. And then shopping Sunday. Back to work on Monday. I don't know if I'm lunch neither, because we've got gammon, but I don't exactly want gammon food. My soulmate, I don't have ham, but we don't have ham. And I would go to the shop, but I just cannot be bothered. I would go to the shop to go to the bank, but I can't. So I don't know whether I might just take some energy bars with me for my... That's the thing, I need lunch. Oh, this is not good. Oh, let's get ready now to go to the shop. Hey guys, I'm getting ready now. Gotta go to the shop to get some ham. as I need for that sandwich. I'm just going to put my deodorant on and this stands up, which probably won't. Try it does. It'll fall down in like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna do my deodorant. Oops. Shower deodorant. This one's the Cotton Ultra Dry. And it's running out, so I shall be using a completely different one soon. As I've got another 2 deodorants in my drawer, which I need using. And my perfume. Oops, I told you it fell down. Yes, I wipe it tiny brow. It's supposed to let it to dry, but I can't bother next. Then using the Daisy wrist perfume. Right.
16 minus 4 and 8b.
Hey guys, go subscribe to Mum. What's your username?
Just Bellows.
Just Bellows. So I'm back home now. From college, and we finished early again. As basically, I'm gonna stand by the Christmas tree and record. Basically, on this side, we'd done an exam, a mock exam, and she didn't want to be able to do much anymore. So we just left at 3:30, and I got the 4:02 train just in time, which is quite good. And yeah, I'm going shopping tomorrow. I'm going shopping Sunday, so yeah. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, and also go watch my Christmas tag. Tomorrow is Vlogmas day 12, which is quite amazing. So I'm going shopping tomorrow and shopping Sunday, so yeah. And it's been raining like for all this, remember. So like, subscribe, comment below. And believe yourself and smile. Bye guys. See you later. See you tomorrow. Bye. Time for your check. I'm gonna listen to your heartbeat. Fix you up, ready to go. Time for your check. It's okay if you giggle. This is lonely to go. Time for your check-up. Dizzy. Ooh.